Hey, I'm Katie, and today I'm going to show you how I make toffee. Let's get into it. For this recipe, you will need 2 cups of unsalted butter, 2 cups of white sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 cups of chocolate chips, 1 cup of chopped almonds. You will also need a 9x13 pan, a candy thermometer, parchment paper, a spatula, and a saucepan. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is get your stove on medium heat and put into your saucepan your butter, your sugar, and your salt. You're going to want to stir this mixture consistently and constantly in one direction until the butter melts. This should take about 5 minutes. I'm going to speed it up for you. Now once you've got your mixture all melted completely, you're going to stop stirring. That's really important. And you're going to bring it to a boil. Once it's boiling, you're going to cook until it's a deep amber color and the temperature is 285 degrees Fahrenheit. You can stir it 2 or 3 times if you think you need to, but you want to limit the stirring. At this point, you are going to put your candy thermometer onto your saucepan. While you're waiting for your mixture to heat up to its correct 285 degree temperature, you're going to want to go ahead and line your 9x13 pan with parchment so that you're overhanging at least 2 sides. That's really important. You want it to overhang at least 2 sides so that when you take the candy out, your candy is not stuck to your pan. Let's get boiling. Oh no, I messed up! Hang on just a minute. Whew, that's better. Give me just a minute to get that boiling again. Now the roll of the boil looks different sped up, so here's what it should be like at this point. And you're gonna keep boiling it until it's 285 degrees and this amber color right here. When it's that amber color, it's time to pour it into your prepared pan. Once your toffee cools down a little bit, you're gonna sprinkle your chocolate chips on top and you're gonna wait for them to soften. This will happen fairly quickly. Once they soften, you're gonna use your spatula or your metal spoon like I have here to spread them into an even layer. Now it's time to sprinkle the nuts on top. Once you're done with that, you just put the whole thing in the fridge until it sets up, which will take about an hour. After that, you're going to use your parchment to remove the toffee from its dish, break it into pieces, and enjoy! If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time.